These are the 9 spring self-adhesive sheets that you're going to get in this pack. Now they're all 4 inches by 9 inches, so 4 by 9. They are all self-adhesive, so you can die cut them, you can back the dazzles with them, you can do all sorts of things. And 5 of them are pearl finish, so silver, pink, blue, green, and gold. Now what might you do with them? Well, here's an example. Here is from our blog, and Lene has backed her dazzles with the pearl finish. So we're going to get a little bit closer just so you can really see the beauty that that provides. So all of those dazzles were placed on one of these, simply trimmed out, peel off the backing and place it on your project. So pretty. Here's another example that was done with the pearl. So this is the silver, the green, you can see the pink, so you can do some paper piecing if you like. Just really, really pretty. So you have all of those. Then you have 4 sheets, and these are also self-adhesive, but they have a twist. So let me peel this up and show you. This is glitter embedded into the plastic. It is sticky back, but you can see it's translucent also. Works really, really well if you put it on a white background. So again, you can die cut it, or here's some examples of it placed onto a project with the dazzle on top and these glitter sheets underneath. Now we do sell the transparent glitter in white separately, but this is the first time that we've had these colors, and really, really fun. So yellow, blue, pink, and green. Now you're going to get a really light color with this, but you're going to get the look of glitter without any of the glitter mess. Works nicely. And here's a tip. You can also stamp something and color it in, and then put this over the top, kind of ghosts it, and again gives the glitter look. So you might try that with flowers or anything else. And this is the spring collection, the 9 sheets in pearl and in self-adhesive glitter.